freaking like.
Oh God.
Yeah. No washers, nothing. Just full sun.
Oh, we have the tool for that in that radio toolkit.
Yeah. It's just a nut, but this one, it's sucked into the metal.
Oh God.
So I think I'm just gonna have to pull it from the rear. I'll take this one off.
Good God.
Yeah.
Jensen hacky mess. I'm gonna go around to the other side. Ooh, going around. It's pretty in Palm Springs. There we go. What do you got? There, I can see what's going on now, Wes.
Yeah.
Ooh, this. I see butt connectors.
Yep. I see wiring nastiness. There's a.
What?
This wire's tied into a nut.
Oh my God, hold on. Enhance. Enhance. Oh my God.
Yo.
Please don't smoke crack when you install radios, everybody.
No, it's really hard to do, but you can do it.
Smoke crack and install a radio? Is that hard to do?
Smoke crack and not install radios.
Oh yeah, that's true. Crackheads are always doing stuff like electrical when they're cracked out.
I can do it. You just smoke some crack real quick. Dr. Bad and Green.
And that was Wes's public service announcement for the day. Yeesh. Yeesh.
Alright.
Yeesh.
This ain't gonna help me. You can have it back.
Oh, you're like, screw this tool. I don't need it anymore.
Yeah.
Thanks. You found the ghetto, sir.
Dr. Bad and Green.
Yeah. Oh. Well, at least the antenna wire's intact.
Yeah, I like Tom's.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Oh, that's fucking cool.
What's in there?
The ground wire
Yeah.
is just open and then wrapped around the bolt.
Oh, my God. Hold on. Do I feel like get in there and get that?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Oh, passing you off. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really cool.
Don't smoke crack, boys and girls.
I mean, it works, but Jesus.
Don't smoke crack.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. I would just unhook that pigtail from the back of that deck.
Yeah.
And get that deck out of there. So that, see, that feels, didn't you feel accomplished? Now that that's out of there.
I still think it's amazing the antenna wire wasn't fucking plugged in.
Wait, it wasn't?
No. Nope.
You're kidding.
Nope.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
Why are they all tied in a knot?
Oh, no. Crackheads. Crackheads have been here.
It's everything here.
Public service announcement. Please don't do drugs.
Yeah.
And if you do,
Don't work on cars.
don't work on cars. Just go have a good time. And when you sober up, then work on cars. Unless you have like ADHD, then I guess you could take a little Adderall and work on a car and you'd be alright.
Smoke some weed. That's fine. At least you're focused.
Yeah, if that helps you get focused, I guess that's tolerable. Is this a bird's nest or a rat's nest?
It's a meth nest.
Meth nest! Wow.
Oh, this is too big.
Oh, wait, you undo that one wire and all this nonsense comes out?
Yeah, this
It's-
is the ground wire.
It's literally just stuck in there with the ground wire now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the quarter drive is down there somewhere. This one's actually going to be a pretty good video because it's comical of how much crap we find. I think the best videos are when we find totally jacked up shit in cars.
Yeah.
That always is the best. I mean, the customers don't like it so much, but it's like, hey, look at all the crap we found, and we're magically making not crap. I totally sent you on a wild goose chase, sorry.
That's alright.
At least it was in the car and not like
Yeah.
a block away. I can't wait to take this rat nest and throw it on the floor over there and take pictures of it. Oh my god. Hey, look, it's out. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna throw that on the floor. So I picked up the air cleaner to move it, and I never noticed this before. What in the crackhead hell? That's messed up. Let's see what you got.
I got meth head.
Meth wiring. Oh boy. You're just trying to untangle it to see what was what.
Yeah. So that's by itself. That's speaker wire.
Oh my god. What did you find?
Battery wire.
Cute.
Goes all the way to this.
Is that speaker wire?
Question mark?
Question mark? Oh
Ripped.
wow.
Ripped. And ripped.
And that ground, of course, was wrapped around the lovely... Oh my god.
Lovely bolt in the back.
Oh my god.
And this is power wire. So I'm assuming this one's battery hot. This one's constant hot.
Hey, look, factory connector.
Yeah.
What's with that?
Let's see how they did this one.
Ooh, ooh, I bet it's crackhead.
Oh yeah, I bet you it's just fucking stuck together. Yep.
Oh no.
Oh yes.
The glory that is. If you don't know how to do electrical right, just don't do it.
Yeah.
Please. Oh my god. Wes found some yucky. Oh my god. Look at that. No es bueno. Mr. Wesy Wes. No es bueno. No lemon pledge. All right, what'd you find, Wes?
So this plug right here
Uh-huh.
goes to the radio for hot
On the door switch.
on the door switch, which the hot's not even.
So you're telling me the radio only worked when the door was open?
No, I'm telling you, the radio never even worked because they didn't even put the actual hot wire in it.
Oh my god. What?
Oh yes, I love it.
Wow. So we're uncovering more and more.
Thankfully, it's only through the radio circuit that we know of. Yeah, because that goes into here. And that's factory. So now we gotta,
Fix the door switches and then find our own hot.
yeah.
We'll plug that back in and then you should be okay on your door switch.
Yeah.
And we'll call that okay for now. Oh my god. What other fun things are we gonna uncover? It's still early. And we're going to Tom's later, so you know, there's that gamble, huh?
I'm really amazed.